Station Miramar, much of our activity and our operations take place near the airfield. We have what we call East Miramar, which is a vast area of land that sits under our approach for air. That location has critical infrastructure, as well as a critical to our air operations in the region, our air operations across the world. We need a better way to secure these areas than manpower. Finding with Anduril in this counter-intrusion effort is that our technology complements our manpower and really allows us to optimize and prioritize.
Out here on MCAS Miramar to show the full capabilities of across maritime, ground, as well as air threats. The biggest thing that is really that one reduction to those installation commanders through the use of our Sentry Tower platforms, our unattended ground sensor, our requirement to physically control those areas.
Fourth platoon, part of the GCE, T1 Echo company. Handheld system itself is not a standalone system. It is part of then the way that you would employ a company within the defense. There's multi-array of systems. This one is strictly allowing the user around that he's protecting issues, protecting. They're capable of identifying things. Automated systems cannot, like audible signature, that the human factor risk there doesn't really change because we're using unmanned. It's still requiring that human factor to be able to identify these threats.